Hello everyone, today you're going to learn how to install a battery on a 2015 to 2011 Kawasaki ZX10R SuperBike.
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that.
The first thing you need to do is you need to insert the key into the Kawasaki SuperBike for the rear seat cowl. Forward. This way. Then you need to remove these 4 pieces. You'll need a Torx bit. You'll also need a trolley or somewhere for the fixings to go where it's safe.
You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishful thinking of my life, the vision.
Every fixing for the rear section has a black washer. The black washer is to protect the plastic so you don't over tighten the bolt and crack the plastic, and also the washer is there to protect the paintwork because the metal is going to dig into the paintwork and damage it, but the washer makes that a lot less likely to happen because the washer is soft and rubber.
Drifting by until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was in a life for wandering far until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the
And take note, that washer has decided to stay there on the SuperBike, but do not lose the washers. Don't lose them. Have somewhere safe for this piece to go. Something like a towel or a really soft cloth, and lay the panel down on that. You do not want to scratch, damage or mark a Kawasaki SuperBike paintwork. You want to keep the paintwork safe and not let any damage or harm come to it. And you're going to need a 10mm socket. We need to undo this bolt and this bolt to lift off the seats.
When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun, I had the will and mission, but the wrong position.
That's a treat. the other side attaches here, I believe. So it goes in over the top, so just kind of do the same thing really. Using it as a spacer, you could use a bit of hose or something like that if you're really into it. Maybe not. Test it. This one's kind of off to one side. Snapped a thread already. Alright, test complete. Right, let's install the battery. Moving around, thanks to a piece of cardboard from the box. All of a sudden, no struggling, right? And then I'll lay the battery in. God, if I can really get that right. Feel free to first screw in these bolts by hand. A 10mm socket, and all you need to do is push down, make sure you're happy with the way the holes have lined up, and then just turn. And the Kawasaki, very well built, very well put together, and being a Kawasaki race bike, all the fixings feel amazing, they feel really good. They only need to be as tight as this hand tool. Those two bolts don't need to be over tight. If you're unsure, one more twist, and you're done. And the rear section just slides underneath the seat. Push inwards. And it is up to you if you'd like to replace the washers. The washers here, the washers from Kawasaki are actually in pretty good condition. I'm happy to just reuse the factory washers. Take a Torx bolt.
It's open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. I was alive for wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the dark.
And all you need to do is tighten up the bolts using a Allen tool and a tool like this. The reason why you're not using a ratchet is because this is a fixing for a plastic panel. If you use a ratchet and you go too tight, too much force through the ratchet, that's how you put too much stress. You can put so much stress on the plastic that it could crack, or you could just crack the plastic. Using a tool like this is nice and safe. You only want it to be, say, that much. Putting force onto the tool, but you're not putting too much, and that's plenty. And that's all you need to do. Want that lug underneath like that, and then push down, and you're good. That's all we need to do, and it's fixed in place. Thanks for watching. Installing it, fairly straightforward, and then you just got to put the rear seat cover and the rear panel and the seat back on, and you're done. Thanks for watching.
Until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon.